This video is created solely for the purpose of raising awareness. It highlights the dangers of online predators to protect others from falling victim. Viewer discretion is advised. Pedophiles are lurking online, using dating apps and social media to manipulate and exploit young girls. They gain trust, test boundaries, and then attempt to meet in person for their disgusting intentions. Today, we expose one such predator, Shiva. Shiva is a 39-year-old man from Tamil Nadu, currently working in Bangalore. He met our decoy on a dating app, and despite knowing she was underage, he shamelessly tried to arrange a meetup for sex. At first, he backed out, claiming his wife didn't let him leave since it was on a Sunday, but his desperation was stronger than his fear. He planned a secret meeting for Wednesday, even taking a half-day off work without telling his wife. To make things worse, he sent explicit pictures of himself to the decoy and even asked for a review on them. But instead of meeting a young girl, he met me. Now let's watch the confrontation.
Come.
We found him. This is the guy. Hello, Mr. Shiva. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine.
What are you doing here?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Can you have a chat?
Yeah.
Yeah, come sit down.
Social experiment.
Yeah, we are making a video. So, we are trying to read minds of other people and then we'll tell them what they are thinking about.
Okay.
Shall we try it?
No, sir, please.
We can.
No.
Please.
Please.
Just once.
No.
Yes.
Please.
I think I already got what you came here for.
No problem.
Why?
Please. Please, sir.
Why not?
Please. I made a mistake. Just
What you made a mistake?
say okay. Tell
What's
me.
a mistake?
Nothing, sir.
Tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Just tell me. Sit down, have a chat.
No, sir. Please.
Nothing's gonna happen.
I am just.
If you refuse, something bad might happen.
Okay. Tell me.
Come on. Yeah,
No
sit.
video, please. Please.
This video is for my protection.
No, don't put.
Video won't go anywhere.
Serious.
You just have a seat.
Okay.
Come on.
No, sir. No video, please. No. Without video, we'll take target, please.
Without video, I can't do anything because you might do anything, whatever you can.
No.
You might have some weapons on you.
No, sir. I don't have any.
I don't know.
So tell me.
Just for my protection.
Okay. Tell me.
So, tell me, what are you here for?
Nothing, sir. Just to meet.
Nothing.
Meet one friend.
Huh?
Meet one girl.
Meet a guy? Girl?
Girl.
What's her name?
Shiva.
Her name? Your name is Shiva.
Yeah.
How old are you?
39.
How old is the girl you came to meet with?
I think she's 21 something.
21. So, are you bad with maths?
Huh?
Are you bad with maths? Mathematics?
No, sir. No.
You're good with maths. So, how come you can see it as 21?
21 only, sir.
21 only?
Yeah.
You even said that under 16 it's very risky.
So, for that, sir.
You never said that. I have all the chat logs.
Okay.
You can see it, right? So
What is the conclusion? What I have to do?
So tell me, why did you came here for? Because you know it's wrong, right?
Yeah, it's wrong. I was my mistake.
You know it's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong, sir.
Why did you came here then?
It's wrong, sir.
What photo did you send her last night? What did you send her?
Nothing, sir.
You sent her nothing.
Yeah, I sent that thing.
What did you send her?
My please.
What?
My
Yeah, why? Why did you send
She
her?
asked me to send.
She asked you to send. And I may ask you to do something now. Will you do it?
So sorry, sir.
Will you do it?
No.
You won't do it, right? If I ask you to right now,
No.
you will do it.
No.
You won't do it. Why did you send it?
Sorry, sir. Mistaken, I said.
How is it a mistake?
So what is the...
You have been texting for like 4 days,
Yeah,
almost a week. You planned to meet at Sunday itself, right? You didn't come that day.
No.
Then you know it's a mistake, and why did you come again even after knowing all of these things?
I have to tell you.
You want to have sex with her?
No, sir.
No? You didn't bring any condom?
No. Nothing. You can check everything, sir. You can check.
Then why did you send a shaven picture of it?
No, I didn't send anything.
You didn't
One
send.
time only I sent it. It's my mistake.
You
So,
sent it.
Yeah, yesterday, exactly with prank, I sent it. That's it. After that, I
But you
didn't
know
send
it's wrong thing to do,
it.
right?
It's wrong things to do.
Okay.
Next time it will not happen. Fine.
We can do one thing. Okay? If you listen to me, we can solve it here itself.
Okay.
You call your wife and tell what happened.
Please, sir, my family. Please, sir, please.
Or else I would have to call the police.
Sir,
They
you
would
can-
tell your wife.
You can call the police.
They would call your
You
wife.
can call the police. I can go to the. It's my mistake. I will go to the police. That's okay, sir. I cannot go. I cannot call. Please,
The police will call your wife.
please, sir, please.
Police will call
This
your wife.
time, first time I'm.
What is first time? If you
Sir, sorry, sir. First time I requesting. This time it will not happen.
if you a road
Sir,
girl.
no, sir, no, sir. Please
No,
don't.
just sit down.
Sir,
Just-
please.
if you do something against what I'm saying, I would call the police. The police are right here. Come. You just come here. You could just see them.
Sir, please, sir.
Just sit down.
Sir, please.
Just sit down.
Sir, please. Please,
Just sit. We'll just have a talk.
sir,
Just call your wife.
sir, please.
Just tell her and then
Please,
I don't have any water. You have water?
please, sir.
Don't get panicked.
Sir, please.
Don't get panicked.
Sir, please.
Don't get panicked. You know it's wrong, right?
Run, sir. Next time it will not happen, sir.
You tell me what could we do? What could we do?
Next time you can release.
Next
everything,
time,
sir. Next time release.
how could we believe that you won't do it next time? Only if you get some proper lessons this time you won't do it.
No, sir. Please.
There are only two ways to go. Either you call your wife or I'm calling the police.
You call the police. I will go to the jail. That's it.
They will call your wife anyway. So it's better you just call.
Please, sir. Please, request. Please, this time, please.
You know it's wrong, right?
This wrong, sir. I will not.
You want to
do
see
it.
the photo
No, sir. Please.
of your
Please, sir. No, please.
We'll just see it.
So, please, sir. Please.
We'll see it.
Sir, please, sir. Please.
We just want to check whether it's yours or not, right?
No, sir. Please. Sir, please. Everybody is saying,
It's
please.
yours,
Sir.
right?
Yeah, please, sir. Please.
You know it's wrong.
It's wrong, sir. Please, sir.
Sit down, just
Sir, please.
just sit down. I'm not sitting. Come.
Please, sir. Please.
Come.
Everybody is saying, sir. Please. I'm not.
Okay, I'm not showing them.
Sir, please, sir. Next time.
This is yours, right?
Do you want to put the internet so we sir,
This
please.
is yours, right?
Sir,
Why did you send it even after knowing it's wrong?
Sorry, sir. I'm telling sorry. It's my mistake. Next time will not, sir.
You have sex with anyone.
No,
You
sir.
know it's wrong.
Sir, it's wrong, sir. I'll get the lesson. Next time.
Just call your wife and then we can end it right
Sir,
now.
please, sir. I cannot call.
Your wife or your mom?
Sir, please, sir. Please. I cannot.
Anyone.
Sir,
Or your brother, dad,
call me.
anyone.
I can call my brother.
Yeah, call.
Please, sir. Next time I will not do anything. Sir.
Call him. Put it on speaker.
Okay, sir.
You're from Tamil Nadu, right?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Where's your brother?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Where?
Tamil Nadu.
Where in Tamil Nadu?
Tirunelveli.
Tirunelveli. You're from Tirunelveli. Okay, just put it on speaker.
Sir, please, sir.
Just put it on speaker.
Sir, everybody is saying, sir. Please, don't put.
They are my friends only.
Sir, don't put my video on.
I won't put any video.
So this is for a lesson.
This is for my protection purpose. If you attack me or something, I need a proof for that. Just call him. Just put it on speaker, I'll talk.
Yeah, I'll speak, sir.
No, you don't need to say anything. I'll just speak with him.
Sir, don't say bad thing anything, sir, please.
Call him again. He's your own brother, cousin brother.
No, my own brother, sir.
He's elder than you?
Younger.
Younger. Elder or younger?
Younger.
Younger. How old is he?
34.
34. Is he married?
Younger.
Call him.
Sir, we end the video, sir, please.
Yeah, we'll end the video after a call is cut.
I think he's in a shift.
We'll keep ringing until it wakes. Also call someone else, your mom, dad,
I don't have my
your wife.
No, sir, please. Wife, no. No, sir, wife, no.
Again.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please. I will not.
We'll just let them know.
Sir, please, sir. Why you are making this? No,
I'm not making you came for it.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
You came for
Next
it.
time I will not do.
You are the one who initiated the conversation of having sex and all.
No, I didn't.
You only did. You only started. You started asking, have you tried it? I want to try with. I want to try small holes.
No, I didn't say this.
You didn't say.
No, I didn't say anything. I like that I didn't say anything, sir.
You said I want to.
That-
I want to suck. I want to drink your milk.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದು
Hello. Hello, bro. கேக்குதா? Hello.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
Hello, கேக்குதா?
தம்பி ஹலோ கேக்குதா கேக்குதா சரி கேட்டு
ஒரே நிமிஷம்ண்ணா.
அவங்க சொல்கிறது என்ன கேட்டுக்க சரியா, அவங்க சொல்கிறத மட்டும் கேட்டுக்க.
ஹலோ கேட்குதா ப்ரோ? அவங்க நேம்? ஓகே. உங்கள் ஏஜ் எவ்வளோ ஆகுது? ஓகே. உங்கள் பிரதரோட நேம் என்னது? ஓகே. அவருக்கு ஏஜ் என்ன ஆகுது? 39. ஓகே, நானே சொல்கிறேன் 39. இப்போது அவர் எங்கே இருக்கார் நீங்கள் நினச்சிட்ருக்கீங்க? இப்போ அவர் எங்கே உட்காந்துட்ருக்காரு, என்ன பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காரு? பெங்களூர் வேலை பார்க்குறாரு. அவன் ஒய்ஃப் எங்கே இருக்காங்க? அவங்க பெங்களூரில் இருக்காங்களா? ஸோ இப்போது உங்கள் பிரதர் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காருன்னா, ஒரு சின்ன 15 year old வயசு பொண்ணுக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணி, வாங்க நம்ம வந்து செக்ஸ் பண்ணலாம், நான் வந்து இது பண்ணுவேன், உங்கள் பால் குடிக்கிறேன், நம்ம இது பண்ணுவோம் அது பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மெசேஜ் அனுப்பி இப்போது அந்த பொண்ணை மீட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அவர் வந்து பார்க்குக்கு வந்திருக்காரு. சொல்லுங்கள், இது கரெக்டா? கேட்டுச்சா இல்லையா நான் சொன்னது? மறுபடியும் சொல்லவா?
நான் சொல்கிறேன்
மறுபடியும் சொல்லவா?
நானே சொல்கிறேன் சார், நீங்கள் சொன்னது
நான் சொல்கிறேன். சொல்லுங்கள், நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள், உங்கள் வயலே சொல்லுங்கள்.
தம்பி
நடந்தது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்கள்.
ஹலோ கேட்குதா? நான் ஒரு பொண்ணு பார்க்குக்கு வந்து
கொஞ்சம் சத்தமாக.
14 வயசு பொண்ணை பார்க்குக்கு வர வச்சு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். சேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு பார்க்குக்கு வா, நம்ம மீட் பண்ணலாம், செக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலான்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். நான் அதை தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. அது தப்பு தானேன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. நல்லா சத்தமாக சொல்லிடு
கொடுங்க. இவர் அதான் ப்ரோ, இந்த மாதிரி வந்து அவங்க ஒய்ஃபை சீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இப்போ இங்கே வந்திருக்காரு, இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன பொண்ணோட செக்ஸ் பண்ணலான்னு. இதுவே போலீஸ்கிட்ட போனால் வந்து பெடோஃபைல் கேஸுன்னு பிடிச்சி உள்ளே போட்டாங்கன்னா ஆயுள் தண்டனை தான், வெளியே வர முடியாது, தெரியும்ல? அவங்க ஒய்ஃபுக்கு நீங்கள் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. இல்லை வீட்டில் யாராவது இருந்தாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி வைங்க.
தம்பிக்கு தெரிஞ்சது இதுவே எனக்கு கேவலம் சார், இதுக்கு மேலே கேவலம் எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்
சார்? ஓகேவா? ஹலோ
ஒன்று சொல்லு. ஓகே, அதுதான்
நாங்கள் வந்து இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷன் யூனிட் சார்.
சரி
ஓகே. நாங்கள் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுறவங்கள ஆன்லைனில் இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன பொண்ணுங்களை மெசேஜ் பண்ணி இப்படி தப்பாக பேசி அவங்கள வர வச்சு இந்த மாதிரி தப்பான விஷயத்தை பண்ணுறவங்கள பிடிக்கிறவங்க நாங்கள்.
ஓகே, ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
கேட்குதா
தம்பி கேட்குதா? தப்பு பண்ணிட்டா மாட்டிக்கிட்டேன், அவ்வளோதான். சரியா?
இனிமேல் பண்ண வேணால் சொல்லுங்கள்.
நீ சொல்லு, இனிமேல் பண்ண மாட்டேன்டா. என் தம்பி, எனக்கு தம்பினா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சார். நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்.
ஓகே.
18 வயசில் எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா இருந்துட்டாங்க. அவனை தான் படிக்க வச்சு நான் வளர்த்தேன். ஸோ அவன் மேலே எனக்கு இது, அவன் தான் எனக்கு முத பையன் மாதிரி. ஓகே சார்.
சரி,
ஓகேடா தம்பி.
அவரை சொல்லி புரிய வச்சுருங்க.
சரி, எனக்கு புரிய வைக்க வேண்டாம், எனக்கு
புரிஞ்சிச்சுல?
தேங்க்ஸ்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ. இது ஒரு லெசன் மாதிரி எனக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஓகே சார்.
இங்கிலீஷில்.
Next time I will not do this one. This is lesson for me. This age, it's not good for.
It's not good for whom?
Anybody, nobody. Anybody.
What is wrong?
It's wrong, sir. Cheated wife.
What is wrong? Cheating on wife is wrong?
Cheating on wife is wrong. இதான் தம்பி, நான் கூப்பிட்றேன்டா. ஹலோ, கூப்பிட்றேன், அப்புறம் கூப்பிட்றேன். So this is the
cheating on wife is wrong? Very wrong. How many time you have done that?
No, sir. Never, sir.
How could I believe it?
You can believe or not.
How?
I know. Sure, I know. This is the first time.
But if I had not come today and it's the actually the old girl would have
No,
came.
I will not.
You will not do
I
anything.
will not do anything.
You'll just buy her chocolate and you send her home.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Seriously.
No, really.
Sir,
If today she came,
No. I will not do anything, sir.
you won't do anything. Then why did you come here?
Just for
Just for fun.
Meet him. Sir.
Having sex. You said you could come to my home.
No.
You took leave from your office. You took half day leave from your office and you came here.
No. Already I have a leave.
You just sent a message. Should I show it to you?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, why are you changing it? See, you just said I will leave by 2
Okay.
and then I'll come there by whatever
Okay, sir.
is.
It's a wrong thing. It's a lesson for everyone. I will not do anything. This is the first and last.
Okay.
So there you have it. Another predator exposed. Throughout the confrontation, Shiva did what most predators do: lie, shift blame, and act like the victim. First, he claimed he wasn't here for sex, but to warn the girl about meeting strangers. Then, when asked why he sent explicit photos, he conveniently blamed the girl, trying to twist the truth. When things got serious and we asked him to call his wife, he pretended to have a heart attack, hoping to escape. But when we made him call his brother and reveal everything, the response was even more shocking. They didn't seem to care. It was just another normal day for them. This is the sad reality. Predators like Shiva exist everywhere, hiding behind fake excuses and manipulating young minds. And even when exposed, some families choose to ignore the problem instead of holding them accountable. This is why awareness is crucial. Parents, guardians, and young people need to understand the dangers of online predators and how they operate. If this video helps even one person stay safe, then it's worth it. Stay aware, stay safe, protect the innocent,